take another example. This is a graph given to you, and let us repeat the procedure. Tell me what we will do here. What are the edges given here? Which are the edges? The starting vertex is 1 only. I am considering 1. So the distance of 1 will be 0, and 2, 3, 4 का distance हो जाएगा infinity. But while writing the edges, I am not writing from 1 to 2 first. I am writing 3 to 2 first. Is it allowed? Yes, it is allowed. हम ये सीक्वेंस में रिलैक्सेशन करेंगे अभी. पहले हमने फर्स्ट एग्जांपल में रिलैक्सेशन कैसे किया था? स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 ओनली. बट नाउ वी विल फॉलो दिस सीक्वेंस. दैट इज कंप्लीटली अलाउड. Okay, even though your source vertex is 1, but sequence can be anything. So 3, 2, then I am writing 4, 3, then I am writing 1, 4 and then 1, 2. Okay, so start doing it. मुझे बताओ यहाँ पे एग्जाम्पल क्या होगा? 3, 2. What is the distance? 3 distance is infinity plus minus 10 is infinity only, and this is also infinity, so nothing will change. 4, 3. Infinity plus 3 is infinity only. It will not change. 1, 4. 0 plus 5. 5 is less than infinity. This will change. 1, 2. 0 plus 4. 4 is less than infinity. This will change. Okay. So this has become our first relaxation. How many total relaxation will be here, students? Number of relaxation in this example is 4 minus 1, which is 3. Okay. Take another relaxation, everybody. Second relaxation. How much? Same step. So यहाँ पे हमने जो एजेस लिखा है सीक्वेंस में, वही सीक्वेंस में हमें रिलैक्सेशन करना है. पहले हमने केस में अलग रिलैक्सेशन था सीक्वेंस. अब सीक्वेंस है 3, 2. Now once again, infinity minus 10 is infinity, will not change again. 4, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 will change here. 1, 4. 0 plus 5, 5 only. 1, 2. 0 plus 4, 4 only. That is second relaxation. Third relaxation, students. Third relaxation, everybody. Again 3, 2. 8 minus 10 now. Minus 2. So you can see here, यहाँ पे माइनस वेट भी अपडेट हो रहा है. सो वी आर गेटिंग करेक्ट आंसर. नेगेटिव वेट एजेस 4, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. सेम. 1, 4. 0 plus 5. सेम. 1, 2. 0 plus 4. 4 will not change because minus 2 is less than. So if you have seen, यहाँ पे हमें फाइनल आंसर थर्ड रिलैक्सेशन पे मिला. And third relaxation is nothing but your final relaxation. So after 3 relaxations, which answers we have got here, students? Final distances are 1 with 0, right? 1 with 0, 2 with minus 2, 3 with 8 and 4 with 3, right? So we got the answer even when there is a negative edge. That means the algorithm is working fine. Correct? But here, next, what is the drawback? What is the drawback of Bellman-Ford algorithm? Look at here. अगर मैं previous example में if I would have done relaxation for one more time, check, relax करके देखो fourth time भी, even though we know कि हमारा maximum relaxation is v minus 1, but still try it for the fourth time. क्या होगा बोलो? Same. 3, 2. 8 minus 10 minus 2. 4, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. 1, 4. Same. Is it changing? Is it changing? No, it's not changing. That means our answer is correct. Okay. But now I am drawing this graph. Check here, graph. Same graph, but with one more extra edges. Just check. I am drawing the same graph here. This was my earlier graph. Yes, everyone. But now here I am adding this. Okay. Apply the same method. What are my edges? Let us finalize the sequence of edges. Same sequence. 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 4, 1, 2, and now I am adding one more, which is 2, 4. Right? So tell me, everyone tell me, 3, 2, initial my weights will be in. I'm so sorry. What will be my initial weight? 1 पे 0, बाकी सब infinity. Okay? So relax. Try relaxing for the 3 times. Apply the same procedure. Come on. 3, 2. Infinity minus 10 infinity will not change. 4, 3 infinity plus 3 infinity will not change. 1, 4 0 plus 5. 5 is less than infinity, so will be updated. 1, 2 0 plus 4. 4 is less than infinity, will be updated. 2, 4 4 plus 9. 9 is not less than 5, so will not be updated. Do you agree? Do it for second time. Come on. Do it for second time. 3, 2. Infinity again plus minus 10. Is infinity will not be updated. 4, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. So 8 will be updated. 8 is less than infinity. 1, 4. 0 plus 5, 5 only. 1, 2. 0 plus 4, 4 only. 2, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 is not less than 5. Okay. Next. Third time. Everyone. This was second time, right? So third time. 0 plus 4, 4. Sorry, 3, 2. 8 minus 10. Minus 2. Correct? Then 4, 3. 5 plus 3, 8. Same. 1 plus 5. Same. 1, 2. 0 plus 4. 4 is not less than minus 2. So it will be same. 2, 4 students. Minus 2 plus 5. 3 is less than 5. So it is updated. Now, so after 3 relaxation, what are we getting here? After 3 relaxation, what are we getting? We got 1 0 distance. For 2 we are getting minus 2 distance. For 3 we are getting 8 distance. And 4 we are getting 4 distance. 4 we are getting 3 distance. Sorry. We are getting 3 distance. Right? So now ideally this should be our final answer. जो हमने earlier केस में भी चेक किया था कि even after doing 4th time relaxation we got the same answer. Now check the 4th time relaxation in this case. Check for 4th time relaxation. Check करो. Everyone check करो. 3, 2. 8 minus 10 minus 2 same. 4, 3. 3 plus 3 6. चेंज हो रहा है. आगे देखो 1, 4. 0 plus 5 will not change. 1, 2. 4 will not change. 2, 4. minus 2 plus 5 3. यहाँ पे देखो चेंज हो रहा है, जबकि ये चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए था. Bellman-Ford must give the answer in n-1 time relaxation, but here it is not the same case. Why is it so? Because in this graph we have negative weight cycle. Because in this graph we have negative weight cycle. Cycle है देखो 2 to 4, 4 to 3, 3 to 2. उसमें भी एक वेट तुम्हारा नेगेटिव है. अगर पॉजिटिव होता तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता. पॉजिटिव वेट साइकिल इज फाइन इन द Bellman-Ford algorithm, but negative weight cycle, if there is a negative weight cycle, then Bellman-Ford algorithm fails. That is the drawback of Bellman-Ford algorithm. Okay, so what will you write here? Bellman-Ford algorithm fails with negative negative weight cycle. But it works fine with students. It works fine with positive weight cycle. Okay, it works fine with positive weight cycle. Okay, so what will be the algorithm for the same, students? Algorithm, or you can say program, whatever. Bellman-Ford will take G, graph, obviously the graph, and source vertex as the parameters. For each vertex, V in G, distance of V, initially we make it as a infinity, and distance of source we make it as a 0. Initial values, distance of source is 0, initial distance of other vertices as infinity, and for loop for I is equal to 1 to how many times are we applying Bellman-Ford? V minus 1. And what do we check? For each edge u comma v with weight w. What is the formula? If my distance of u plus w is less than distance of v, then distance of v is updated with distance of u plus w. Okay, and for each we need to also check the cycle, right? For each edge u comma v with weight w, same with weight w, if distance of u plus v w is less than distance of v, that means students यहाँ पे देखो हमने क्या किया, यहाँ पे फॉर लूप लिया है 1 से लेके v माइनस 1 तक, और इतने फॉर लूप में हम चेक कर रहे हैं कि क्या हमारा डिस्टेंस ऑफ u प्लस w लेस है क्या डिस्टेंस ऑफ v से, सो अपडेट करो डिस्टेंस ऑफ v. अब लूप ब्रेक हो जाएगा, दैट मीन्स v माइनस 1 टाइम वी हैव ऑलरेडी रन द लूप. नाउ वन मोर टाइम वी विल चेक दिस सेम कंडीशन, वन मोर टाइम, और क्या फिर भी हमारा डिस्टेंस चेंज हो रहा है क्या? अगर क्या फिर भी हमारा डिस्टेंस ऑफ u प्लस w डिस्टेंस ऑफ v से लेस आ रहा है, अगर फिर से चेंज हो रहा है, तो वी हैव टू प्रिंट हियर ग्राफ कंटेन्स negative weight cycle. Graph contains negative weight cycle. So that's it for the algorithm. Are you clear with the algorithm, students? What is the algorithm? Bellman. We will pass the parameter as g comma source. For each vertex v in g, distance of v is equal to infinity, distance of source is equal to 0. For I is equal to 1 to v minus 1. हम हर एक एज के लिए चेक करेंगे कि क्या डिस्टेंस ऑफ u प्लस w डिस्टेंस ऑफ v से लेस है, तो डिस्टेंस ऑफ v विल बी अपडेटेड, एंड वी विल चेक दिस फॉर द एंटायर फॉर लूप. आफ्टर फॉर लूप इज ब्रेक, वी विल वंस अगेन चेक द सेम कंडीशन, एंड इफ स्टिल द डिस्टेंस इज चेंज, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू प्रिंट दैट द ग्राफ कंटेन्स नेगेटिव weight cycle. Is this clear? Okay, so that's it for the Bellman-Ford algorithm. You finish with the second example and the algorithm writing part.